contingent of awe to see children, students, marching in such a disciplined manner, following the same orders at the same time with the precision of the timing. Here is the first school approaching the saluting dies.
Marching in with perfect unison, we have the Anderson High Secondary School opening Nongsan, a commander, led by a commander ng Shampang Lumpoy, a flag bearer, Naki Sapi Lindo, and a placard bearer, Johnson Vivian Morbanyang. The motto of the school is, enter to grow in body, mind and spirit, depart to serve, better your God, your country and your government. Approaching to the next saluting base, we have the Assembly of God Secondary School opening Longston, leading by Chesterfield Snipang as the commander, Alvin Wanyang, the flag bearer, and Female Morwin, the placard bearer. The motto of the school is, learn to serve God and man. Approaching to the saluting base, we have the third school, that is the Bethel Presbyterian Secondary School, Nongsan, led by Bakmenang Yatnyang, flag bearer Bajanai Nongkor, and placard bearer Yuniba Tuwen. The motto of the school is knowledge, perseverance, honor. The next in line approaching to the saluting base, we have the Don Bosco High Secondary School, Omdang, led by Blaabyang Langpe, flag bearer Jubanlap Hasha, and the placard bearer Winning Star Tuwing. The motto of the school is, when knowledge abounds, poverty vanishes. The next contingent we have the PGP Simak High Secondary School, Dongsan, led by Commander Bakshamang Marwin, the flag bearer Rishak Byangdor Thaba, and the placard bearer Wanbet Kupar. And they led by the motto, living witness to the living light. The next contingent approaching to the saluting base, we have Mantra Secondary School, Rasyang, led by Julius Kabithai, the flag bearer Natasha Harbani, placard bearer Wanda Harbani, and the motto of the school is, love to learn, live to serve. Showing the vibrant energy we have, the Mount Raman Academy Secondary School, New Nongsan, led by Nesoroy Siemle, flag bearer Wansham Ha Marpong, and the placard bearer Ibansuk Harbani. The motto of the school is, give them the truth, and the truth will set them free.
Approaching the saluting dies, is Nongston College Higher Secondary Section, Nongston. They live to the motto, learn to serve. The contingent is commanded by Wilbur Star Marmanian, led by the flag bearer Daki Namrum, and the flag bearer is Kamhalang Baryong. This is Nongston College Higher Secondary Section. Here we have the khasi Fremont Secondary School Piksao, commanded by Prince Kamlang Damput. They live with the motto, Nagaputta, Kalawi, Pernai. The flag bearer is Wan Kabok Shambian, and the flag bearer is Dio Ralga Sakya. Giving the salute now to our chief guest is 16 Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Nongston, commanded by Nemat Suklang Linggo Boy. They live to the motto, be a shining light. The flag bearer is Hane Batay Lindo. The flag bearer is Elvin Black. Here we have the Springfield Secondary School Upper Lakse. This is their maiden appearance here. They live to the motto of commanded by Wilson Marman, flag bearer Nantes Ken Lindo, flag bearers the Frenzy. The little soldiers here are from St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, technically Nongston. Commanded by Duke Dryden Thaba, flag bearer Habib Lam Rintong, and flag bearer John Lamha Lindo Nongrum. They live with the motto, knowledge and virtue.
Ji, kakun ni re. Kakun ji. Khasi. Nak cepat ke semua ni.
Approaching the salute dais, next is St. Saviour's. This is St. Saviour's Higher Secondary School, New Nongston. They live with the motto, Bantamay Lakahok. The commander is Lamkang Omyong. The flag bearer is Alba Mary Soshang. The flag bearer is Emily Rose Ringtong. Giving a powerful salute now is St. John Bosco Higher Secondary School, Rabra. They live with the motto, virtue and knowledge. Randolph Harmony as the commander, Vijay Pakor Sangren as the flag bearer, and Bandri Suk Namput as the flag bearer, with a total strength of 33 in all. In yet another maiden appearance here at Dr. Harmo, the interschool, here we have the St. Mary's Secondary School, Norway. They live with a motto, to learn and excel for love and service. Commanded by Baskin Lampuin, with flag bearer Vicky Kraukar Nongri and Pintian Puin as the flag bearer. have St. Francis the Assisi Higher Secondary School, Sydney, Knoxton. Their motto is from darkness to light, commanded by Donil, Maker, Black Bearer, Helbas Mosor, and Black Bearer, Larry Bashisha Karbani.
Boleh datang boy.
Assembly of God Secondary School, Milestone! Shout out to them! Commander, please come to the victory stand. These are the runners-up of the March Past competition belongs to Dutch National. The one with the commander, Black Bearer, Black Bearer. Just like it here. And bagi kapten kepada Assembly of God Secondary School Milestone. And here, the best contingent for the 31st Interschool Athletic Meet 2026 goes to Bapak Mamazrai. Kita ingatkan kepada sekolah sebenarnya.
Caritan alim.
Goes to Anderson Higher Secondary School Academy Milestone. The commander of the Black Bearer and the Black Bearer then becomes the victory stand. Thank you, sir. And congratulations to the two schools for the best March Past contingent. Now, yes, you have every right to celebrate, to enjoy, but that is after the event, okay? Now, the best disciplined team from all the teams, the most disciplined of all the teams here, from all the 26 schools, the most disciplined school for the 21st Interschool Athletic Meet 2026 goes to Joel Kapon Memorial Sinat Higher Secondary School. These are the schools that are the most disciplined in the way of responding, in the way of cheering for their athletes, in the way of in every field. This is the most disciplined school, the most disciplined team of 2026. Joel Kapon Memorial Sinat Higher Secondary School. The school captain, please come to the victory stand. I request the DSO to hand over the trophy to the most disciplined school. And now, the overall champion team, the school that performed in every direction, the school that performed better than all other schools, or the best school for 2026, the overall champion, it goes to, without a single doubt, Sepsai Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Contingent. Now just a while we'll hand over the trophy to the champion team of 2026 Interschool Athletic League District level. Congratulations to Sepsai. Congratulations to all the schools who fought hard, who have worked hard, and you can always do better next year. All the winners, the trophy holders, please come to the victory stand for a group photo. Para pinangjok, pinangjok trophy, para round of fun and the Thank you to all the schools. Thank you to all the schools that participated in the very first district level school of Category. Congratulations,